A random variable x follows Poisson distribution and its coefficient of variation is 50. What is the probability that x is greater than 1 when you know that x is greater than 0? So coefficient of variation is standard deviation upon mean into 100 and it is 50 for that Poisson distribution. So because it is 50, it will be, and for Poisson, standard deviation is under root m, mean is m multiplied by 100. So this will be under root m and n will get cancelled. Here you will get under root m. So you can write under root m is equals to 100 by 50. So under root m is equals to 2. So m will become 4. Now we want probability x is greater than 1 when you know that x is greater than 0. So you already know that x is greater than 0, but you want to find out that it should be greater than 1. So when x is greater than 0, it actually means x is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And when they say x is greater than 1, it is actually probability of x is 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now we want x is greater than 1 when you know that x is greater than 0. If we know that x is greater than 0 and we want to find out x is greater than 1, so actually we want to find out probability that x is 2, 3, 4 and so on, whole thing upon probability that x is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now because it is Poisson, we cannot find, we only have m as a parameter. So what we can do is P of x is greater than 0 is P of x is equals to 0 चा complement. Because it is theoretical distribution, x will not be less than 0. So x is equals to 0 चा complement घेतला तो greater than 0 so it will be 1 minus P of x is equals to 0. So it is 1 minus e raised to minus 4, 4 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. It is 1 minus e raised to minus 4 is 0.0183. So your answer will be 0.9816. This is x is greater than 0. That is, here the denominator is 0.9816. Now we have to find out x is equal to 2, 3, 4. So probability that x is 2, 3, 4 and so on, it is actually equal to P of x is greater than 1. That is P of x is equals to 0 आणि 1 चा complement. म्हणजे काय येईल 1 minus P of x is equals to 0 plus P of x is equals to 1. That is 1 minus x is equals to 0 काय आहे 0.0183 plus x is equals to 1 काय येईल e raised to minus 4, 4 raised to 1 upon 1 factorial. 1 minus 0.0183 plus, let us solve this, e raised to minus 4 is 0.0183 into 4. It is 0.0732. You will add it. It will be 0.0915. That is 0.0915 9085. So here numerator is 0.9085, and now you divide 0.9085 by 0.9816. That is 0.9255 or 54. That is okay. 0.9254 or 55, whatever. अगर 4 decimal place थोड़ा सा change हो रहा है तो वो चल जाता है. And you have this answer. 0.925, you have the answer. In a sample of 800 students, mean weight of and standard deviation is.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही है.